Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to see how to include quinoa in your diet. Quinoa and avocado oil are two nutrition-rich superfoods that easily elevate your daily meals. Firstly, make more than you need. Cook extra quinoa to keep it in fridge for the week. It stores well and makes meal prep fast and easy. Also add some flavor. Both quinoa and avocado oil have neutral tastes that adapt well to other ingredients. Also transform a light salad into a complete meal by adding quinoa for protein and fiber. Quinoa isn't just for lunch and dinner, it also makes a great breakfast base. Top cooked quinoa with berries, honey and coconut for a sweet morning bowl, or make overnight quinoa just like overnight oats. Use avocado oil for frying eggs, baking muffins or sautéing veggies. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for any cooking style. Also, substitute quinoa for rice, couscous and pasta in your favorite dishes. It's richer in nutrients, packed with antioxidants, and keep your fuller longer. Pair it with drizzle of avocado oil to boost healthy fat intake and enhance texture. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.